You're watching the News Hour at 9. Debate number 2 on Times Now. Super Prime Time.
Bloopers and embarrassments were the major highlights of the Congress President Rahul Gandhi's Satyagraha for social harmony in the country. Was it a farce or fiction? Here goes my case, the case that I present to you, dear viewers, every evening. On Monday evening, I want to show you what really transpired on this day when Rahul Gandhi was fasting for communal harmony and in favor of Dalits of this country. Hate on stage at the Congress's unity meet. 1984 riots accused in attendance at Rahul Gandhi's Harmony Satyagraha. The red-faced Congress in a damage control was quick to ask the leaders of the 1984 accused, both Sajjan Kumar and Jagdish Tytler, who had to leave the stage. They were asked to leave the stage, but they refused to leave the premises. On the other hand, top Congress leaders were caught red-handed gorging on chole bhature minutes before the fast began in New Delhi. Within minutes, this picture went viral, raising questions about the Congress party's seriousness about the protest for Dalits. What made it even worse for the Congress party when a Congress leader admitted that it was part-time 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Satyagraha only that the Congress was doing. So what's the big deal if they were having chole bhature before the 10 o'clock fast really began? And that leads me to the legitimate question tonight that I ask. By feasting on chole bhature before the Satyagraha, before the fast, has the Congress insulted the Dalits of this country? Are they really serious about their fight against the government for the rights of the Dalits? That's the question I ask on the News Hour tonight. And the big debate coming up. Congress, fast or fiction? That's the hashtag, ladies and gentlemen. Send me your tweets, send me your questions on involve.in as I open up this debate.
हाँ, क्या बुलाया था? किसने कहा? कांग्रेस के अध्यक्ष है, ऐसी बात नहीं कह सकते। जिसने आपके कान में डाला है वो कांग्रेसी नहीं।
ये सांकेतिक उपवास है, कोई इंडेफिनिट उपवास नहीं है। और वो 8 बजे से पहले की फोटोग्राफ है और 10:30 से 4:30 का उपवास का समय है। तो स्थिति यही है कि देश को संभालने की बजाय वो इस बात पे ध्यान दे रहे हैं कि हम किस समय खा रहे हैं और किस समय नहीं।
Joining me this evening, Dr. Sambit Patra, national spokesperson of the BJP, Shehzad Poonawala, lawyer, Shubhrashta, author. Joining me live from Bhopal, Devashish Jararia, BSP supporter, Ghanshyam Tiwari, national spokesperson of the Samajwadi Party, Ashutosh Mishra, senior journalist, and Tehseen Poonawala, political analyst, leans towards the Congress party. But my first question goes across to Mr. Ashutosh Mishra. Mr. Ashutosh Mishra, is this a farce that the Congress party was doing? Nobody is against anybody going for a chole bhature if you're going out with your party colleagues. But what is this farce? 10 o'clock to 4:30 was the entire fast. You're caught having chola bhaturas in the morning. You are taking Sajjan Kumar and Tytler to the dais at a time when Delhi and the Sikh riot victims are still waiting for justice. Is the Congress completely insensitive?
So, if Congress has at least asked Sajjan Kumar and Tytler to leave the stage, what has happened to those people who have canonized the post-Godhra riot leaders? Shouldn't they learn from it? Congress sidelined them. They didn't. As far as the feasting goes,
if they were so guilty to be thrown out from the stage, why not throw them out from party?
No, but what have you
accepted that the family flag was involved in anti-Sikh riots of 84? Because why else would you remove them? And if you knew for so long, why did you not act before? And when will this country get an apology from them? When will the country get an apology? When will the country get an apology? No, you tell us. By taking this action, you have admitted.
Have we received
when the country will get an apology? For Mr. Poonawala's kind information, it is Prime Minister Manmohan Singh who apologized for the Sikh rights on the floor of Parliament. It is Mrs. Sonia Gandhi who apologized and regrets when starting the campaign in Punjab.
Before you jump to the defense, before you jump to the
I am going
defense.
to answer. He said, when was the apology? It is both Mr. Prime Minister Manmohan Singh and Mrs. Sonia Gandhi who have apologized and offered regrets. On the other hand, forget 2002. Even after Muzaffarnagar, Sangeet learned to hear. Sangeet Som got Z+ security, was promoted to become a minister. The Congress has shamed that Jagdish Titler and Sajjan Kumar are no longer in the organization.
They were sitting right there.
That's
you
fine.
heard Jagdish Titler said, Jagdish Titler said that I will not leave this place.
What is Rahul Gandhi,
Mr.
in Rahul Gandhi's organization, they have no place.
Is this a sensitive
but
Congress
Sangeet Som
party?
is promoted. Hate mongers are promoted. This man, the MLA who you just interviewed is shamelessly laughing at Z grade security. He will be made a minister. He will be made a cabinet minister. He will be running for chief ministership.
The problem we have
that
here
is
is that actually the BJP is going logoric
Absolutely.
over Chole Bhature and all, because they don't have anything to say on the real issues. That is Dalit operation.
Okay, Dr. Sambit Patra, this is a direct attack on the BJP. Dr. Sambit Patra, they say you don't have anything to say about the Dalit Atrocities Act. You don't have anything to say about the fact that what is the condition of Dalits. And in fact, you would have seen the report in the newspapers today that in Kasganj, a Dalit had to actually go to court to try and get his rights कि उसको बारात ठाकुरों के एरिया से ले जानी है, उसको कोर्ट जाना पड़ा. तो आप दलित्स की राइट्स के लिए तो कुछ कर नहीं सकते, छोले भटूरे की राजनीति कर रहे हैं.
Navika, you and the ones who have asked this question are right. I mean, as far as chole bhature and the consumption of chole bhature and achar is concerned, anyone can do that. We have nothing against the chole bhature. The issue is seriousness on this subject. Well, if Mr. Rahul Gandhi wanted to be extremely serious on the atrocities against Dalits, if he really wanted to propagate non-violence in this country, if he wanted to send a message on communal harmony in this country, the hypocrisy of Rahul Gandhi and the Congress party was exposed. Because number A, what you rightly said, part-time bhook hartal, part-time annasan. Mr. Rahul Gandhi is known for part-time politics. So when you talk about the atrocities against Dalits, when you try to change the face of this country,
Sir, by eating heavy breakfast before the
this is not the way. Can I please complete all of you?
And what they are
Pandit ji, कितने दलितों को प्राइम मिनिस्टर बनाया गांधी परिवार ने बताइए ना हमको. ओबीसी को कितने बनाया, मुसलमान को कितने बनाया, पंडित जी बताओ ना, पंडित बताओ ना.
Dr. Sambit Patra is making a point.
नवीन नाविका जी मुझे बोलने दीजिए, नहीं तो मैं छोले भटूरे खा के हड़ताल करूंगा आपके चैनल पे भी बैठ के. हाँ, प्लीज मुझे कंप्लीट करने दीजिए. हाँ, प्लीज मुझे बोलने दीजिए. लेट मी कंप्लीट. आई डिड नॉट स्पीक इन बिटवीन एनीवन.
छोले भटूरे खाने के लिए सुबह जाना पड़ता है चांदनी चौक. रात के टाइम टेलीविजन पे नहीं खाए जाते.
No, but coming to a moot point and a very serious point, Navika, the part-time politics of Mr. Rahul Gandhi has yet been exposed. He has no experience whatsoever. He has no seriousness whatsoever as far as important issues of the country is concerned. The Bharatiya Janata Party has extremely strictly maintained that as far as Chole Bhature is concerned, it shows the hunger of power. Hunger for power by the Congress Party. Mr. Mishra, this is not the way. Mr. Mishra, this is not the way of debating. Non-stop shouting and ranting won't help. Please hear others out and then please rebut. See, it is hunger for power. In order to win power, the Congress party will go to any extent, and that's what we have been seeing. We have seen that in Gujarat when they tried to instigate the partidars there. We had seen as to how one of the aides of the former chief minister of Haryana, Mr. Bhupendra Singh Hooda's secretary, he said that अब हमें जाटों को भड़काना होगा, यहाँ आग लगानी होगी. We had seen the आग लगाने वाली राजनीति in Madhya Pradesh also propagated by the MLAs and MPs of the Congress party in Madhya Pradesh. So this is the design of the Congress party, and the Congress party whose Rajiv Gandhi said that जब बड़ा पेड़ गिरता है तो धरती ठहर जाती है और कुछ ना कुछ वहां पे दंगे होते हैं. That same political party today exposed with its own hypocrisy. When Jagdish Titler and Sajjan Kumar come to your stage, is it not fair that you should ask this question?
Never used the word dange.
imagination.
हाँ, जब बड़ा पेड़ गिरता है धरती हिलती है, तो कैसे हिलती है भैया? तो कैसे हिलती है?
डॉक्टर पात्रा
दंगे करा के तो हिलती है, और कैसे हिलती है भैया?
नहीं, अब मैं बोलता हूँ, राजीव गांधी ने ऐसा कोई स्टेटमेंट नहीं दिया, आपका स्टेटमेंट उतना ही
आपने अगर छोले भटूरे खा लिया हो बीच में तो आप बोलिए ना प्लीज।
लेकिन मैं आपको जवाब उत्तर दे दूं, सुन लीजिए सर, सुन लीजिए। सबसे पहली बात तो राजीव गांधी जी ने वो कहा नहीं, दूसरी बात
मैं सुनूंगा भाई, आराम से छोले भटूरे खा के बोलिए, कोई परेशानी नहीं है।
डॉक्टर पात्रा, अब आप मुझे ये बताइए कि टुडे when we are talking about issues regarding Dalits, where in 2018 a Dalit has to go to a high court to ride a damn horse, which is his right. Do you realize what this country is coming to, where Chandrasekhar Azad is not free and you put terrorism cases on him, where at today out of it, when Dalits come out for agitation, all the people killed in the agitation are Dalits in BJP ruled states. Please tell us what is happening about Dalits. That is the moot issue. Who's eating samosa, chola, bhatura is not the issue.
So Devashish Jararia and Ghanshyam Tiwari. Devashish Jararia and Ghanshyam Tiwari.
Just a second. Navika, give me 10 seconds to answer the question of Tehseen Poonawalla. He has a pertinent point. If you allow me a few seconds.
I would say no one, because what is happening right now is the politics of symbolism, and I am totally against the politics of symbolism. The first of thing, the fight of Dalit is for this. It's the self-respect movement. That is the core issue. It's a self-respect movement. It is the fight for equality and social justice. Why the ruling party and the main opposition party is not taking that into the consideration? Second point, I don't know why BJP is taking the credit just because Congress has made a mistake. Now they have a time to divert the whole issue to the Congress, and they can score political gain. They can score in politics. They are diverting the whole issue. Tell me one thing, sir. Samit Patra ji, tell me one thing. क्या 2 तारीख को जो कुछ हुआ उसमें भाजपा के कार्यकर्ताओं की हिस्सेदारी नहीं थी? ग्वालियर में 3 भाजपा के कार्यकर्ता पकड़े गए।
देवाशीष जी, मान्यवर कांशीराम जी ने चमचा एज नाम की किताब लिखी थी, उसका अर्थ क्या था उस चमचा एज की बुक का?
मुझे मत समझाइए।
जब बहन जी कांग्रेस के साथ गठबंधन करती है तो चमचा एज की कॉपी आप उनको दिखाते हैं।
आप अपने समाज
मैं आपसे पूछना चाहता हूं, अम्बेडकर जी को किसने हराया?
पार्टी के 403 विधायकों में से एक भी 0 सीट
अम्बेडकर जी को किसने हराया?
403 में 0 सीट दी।
आपको पार्टी में दलित प्रधानमंत्री कैसे होनी चाहिए?
आपको चर्चा करना चाहिए।
ओबीसी प्रधानमंत्री किसने वंचित रखा? अब बताइए हमको,
अपने
सीताराम केसरी, बाबू जगजीवन राम को किसने बेइज्जत किया?
आप पे क्या आरोप लगा रही है? आपको चमचा एज पढ़नी चाहिए।
देवाशीष जररिया जी,
चमचा
एज की किताब पढ़िए, क्योंकि आप कांशीराम जी के पच्चीनों पे चलना चाहते हैं या आप चमचा बनना चाहते हैं कांग्रेस पार्टी का? मैं आपको गुजारिश करता हूँ, मान्यवर कांशीराम जी की किताबें पढ़ के आइए।
आप पढ़ के आइए, आप उसको अंगीकार कीजिए।
और ब्रांड जी को भी एक किताब की कॉपी दीजिए।
आप पाला बदल के कहीं और चले गए।
सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट मूवमेंट होना चाहिए।
तो सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट तो वो होता है
समाज जो अम्बेडकर जी को आते हैं, क्या हम उससे बात करना नहीं चाहेंगे?
आप बताइए, मेरा समाज मेरे साथ खड़ा है।
अम्बेडकर जी को
मेरा समाज मेरे साथ खड़ा है, आपको समाज खड़ा है।
बाबू जगजीवन राम जी के साथ चलेंगे।
देवाशीष जररिया, तहसीन पूनावाला, देवाशीष जररिया, बात में तो आप कांग्रेस के साथ खड़े होते हैं। आज आप कांग्रेस को क्या कहेंगे? आज कांग्रेस ने दलितों का, दलित कॉज का, ये सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट मूवमेंट का जिसकी आप बात करें, हर चीज का तमाशा बना के नहीं रख दिया।
I am totally against the politics of symbolism. That's what Congress is saying. I'm totally against it, and I criticize them.
तो आप राहुल गांधी के साथ हैं कि राहुल गांधी के खिलाफ हैं?
I am not at all with the Congress on this particular issue. What they have done.
Are you supporter of Rahul Gandhi?
Different issue. I am talking about on a fast, on a particular fast, on a particular.
So kindly tell me, 1 minute, kindly tell me, are you a supporter of Rahul Gandhi today, or are you a supporter of Narendra Modi, who himself is from a backward class, who has given a Dalit as a president of this country?
Who says Narendra Modi?
Who's from exactly?
Narendra Modi ji can morph himself into any caste. That's immaterial.
Okay.
The fact of the matter is, it is the member of Parliament, Dr. Yashwant.
How many OBCs were Prime Minister by Gandhi family? You name one OBC Prime Minister made by the Gandhi family. Name one OBC Prime Minister by the Gandhi family. Name one OBC Prime Minister. Pandit Tiwari, name one OBC Prime Minister by the Congress Party or the Gandhi family. Come on. Sitaram Kesi.
Dr. Sambit Patra, before I go across to Subrashta ji, Dr. Sambit Patra, Ghanshyam Tiwari has now questioned the backward caste of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. He has now questioned the backward caste of Prime Minister.
Modi can cast himself into any caste. That's not the point. The point, what Devashi says a very powerful point. Bharat Bandh was a movement of self-assertion. No political party should
can I please come in over? The question is to me, Navika ji. Can I please answer?
But what followed after that is shameful. What followed after that, Sambit Patra ji's party's members of parliament are complaining to the Prime Minister that false charges are being put against Dalit activists who led that movement of self-assertion. The Congress party did a fast in the name of fast. That was exposed. But the substantial matter is, do not hijack this movement. That, by the way, on 20th March when the verdict came, spokesperson like Sambit Patra ji were on TV opposing their own members of parliament, saying that the verdict was right. Today they have changed their stance, but that's not the first time. They also changed their stance whether the government of India was represented in that or not represented in that. So the double standard.
Who said that the verdict was right?
BJP.
Just as you said once that Akhilesh Yadav should not be made the chief minister of Uttar Pradesh. Just like
double standards are getting exposed in Uttar Pradesh.
Mr. Rahul Gandhi is spreading in the entire country as per Cambridge Analytica that SC/ST Act has been abolished.
Chief Minister.
SC/ST Act has been abolished.
Okay, gentlemen, we are
all in the Supreme Court called it out.
We are all in the studio. There are two people outside the studio, Sambit Patra and Subrashta ji. Let's go across to them. Dr. Sambit Patra, and then I'm coming to you, Subrashta.
Navika, I have a moot question to the Congress party, and I gather Mr. Ghanshyam Tiwari is not a Congress spokesperson, nor is Mr. Devashish Jararia. So the question is to Tehseen Poonawalla, who supports the Congress party. The question is, Dalit across the countries are Dalits. We should not see them through selective myopism. And so Dalits of Karnataka also have to be brought into picture over here. Is it not true that one of the highest atrocities against Dalits have occurred in the state of Karnataka under the chief ministership of Mr. Siddaramaiah, who is from Congress, who has the patronage of Mr. Rahul Gandhi? 9,018 Dalit cases, atrocities in 5 years in Karnataka, 358 brutal murders of Dalits in Karnataka in last 5 years, 850 Dalit women molested in Karnataka. Why Mr. Rahul Gandhi does not hold a symbolic, quote-unquote, symbolic fast in Karnataka as well? Just because you want to balkanize this country, just because you want to... Please you will answer. Just a second. Just a second. Let me complete and then you can answer. Yes, I know you will answer. Who else? Who other than you will answer that? I know that you will answer, but let me complete first and foremost. So why no symbolic fast in Karnataka, number one? And number two, and a very important question to you as well as to Samajwadi Party. This is the headline of the Times of India and Economic Times in 2012, which says that Samajwadi Party opposes government's plan to enable SC/ST promotion quota. The Samajwadi Party, Akhilesh Yadav and all had said that over our dead bodies, we will see Samajwadi Party going for reservation for Dalits in promotion. And today suddenly these all parties are coming together in the name of Dalit Bachao. I mean, the BASPA, the BSP and the Congress party had opposed the Samajwadi Party stand then.
Well,
why today you are together? You don't want to give reservation to the Dalits.
And
no, you have to explain that.
That
time Ghanshyam Tiwari said that Akhilesh Yadav was wrong. Today Ghanshyam Tiwari has again said that Akhilesh Yadav was wrong in formulating this kind of you should apologize. You have apologized for Ghanshyam Tiwari. You have apologized for Akhilesh Yadav.
What is there in future? Your member of parliament is speaking.
No, you opposed reservation. You can go to Manu Smriti. Why can't I ask you about 2012 and 2013? You did not want reservations for the Dalit in 2012 and 2013. You said that Dalits are eating into OBC area. You said that Dalits should not be given reservation. Why? Why is the Congress party and BSP support you?
Today, will you apologize on the behalf of Akhilesh Yadav? Asked you about Akhilesh Yadav's stand on SC/ST promotion.
Akhilesh Yadav ji stands on reservation.
Why don't you respond to that question?
Akhilesh Yadav stands on reservation is absolutely clear. The stand is that now you have Aadhaar, you have every data available on every Indian. Give representative economic prosperity and economic opportunities to every community in the country. That is his stand. That is our official stand. If BJP wants to oppose this stand. We will know tomorrow as some of the organizations are getting supported by BJP in an anti-reservation rally. BJP got exposed from their reservation stand on reservation stand in Bihar elections also. There's only one party in the country that has consistently opposed reservation.
देवाशीष का चेहरा देखो कितना गिर चुका है. इसको छोला भटूरा खिलाओ वरना वो आपका अलायंस तोड़ देगा. दलित की बात हो रही है, दलित की बात तो हो ही नहीं.
4 महीने पहले मेरे साथ थे.
मैं तो आज मैं आपके साथ हूँ, आप कब्जों के साथ आ गए.
I would request
डॉक्टर पात्रा
आप देवाशीष जरारिया से ये सवाल पूछिए, इस हेडलाइन को दिखाइए, जूम करके दिखाइए.
Dr. Patra asked some very serious questions regarding Karnataka. I actually welcome those questions. He's right that there were 9,000 odd crimes committed on Dalits.
नहीं, मगर इसका तो जवाब लीजिए घनश्याम तिवारी से, देवाशीष जरारिया.
डॉक्टर पात्रा, मैं आपके बीच में नहीं बोला, सुन लीजिए ना. डॉक्टर पात्रा is absolutely right that there were 9,000 odd FIRs registered. That's his home ministry statistics. What Dr. Patra does not tell us, in the 5 years prior to the Congress government, when Yediyurappa ji and the stalwarts like Ishwarappa were in power, there were more than 11,000 crimes committed on Dalits. By any parameter, Dr. Patra, your home ministry statistics, let's have crime under Congress and under BJP in Karnataka. Navika, you choose a date for the show, anytime, from murders to Dalit atrocities to SC to minorities, and we will see where crime is reduced. I take this as an open challenge.
More atrocities against Dalits under Mr. Siddaramaiah.
Just one line. Just 10 seconds. Dr. Patra, just 1 second, just 10 seconds. Please tell me, Dr. Patra, when my Dalit fellow citizens came out for their pride Andolan just now, why were the 10 Dalits who were killed only in BJP ruled states? Why were Dalits nowhere else arrested, false case put or killed anywhere except in BJP ruled states? Answer this question to me, Dr. Patra, please. Because all 10 people killed.
That is a question that should be answered by
Subrata ji hasn't spoken. I'm going. Dr. Sambit Patra, I'm coming back to you. Subrata ji hasn't spoken. Subrata ji, there are two questions. On the one hand, Tehseen Poonawalla says, look at the record of the Yediyurappa government versus the Siddaramaiah government. So there is politics that comes in there as far as atrocities against Dalits in Karnataka is concerned. And then we come to the question of Akhilesh Yadav versus Mayawati on the stand of SC, STs in promotions. Just what's going on here?
So, Navika ji, with respect to Mr. Tehseen Poonawalla's data play, which is very much in vogue after the whole Cambridge Analytica thing, let me remind him and through your channel to every Dalit citizen who is watching the country that any crime against Dalit is extremely abominable, and let Congress play politics on Yediyurappa and Siddaramaiah. If they want to do this whole data analysis with a bar graph showing that, well, Congress ki sarkar mein kam cases hue Dalits ke against, therefore we are great, then let the Dalits judge the dolt party which stands for all these kind of explanations. And I'm using this word very, very specifically with lot of loaded connotation when I call them dolt, which is stupid. And I'll tell you why. When these people stage protests a couple of days ago in the name of Bharat Bandh, they hired the same protesters that were used for the Karni Sena protest in after the whole Padmanath controversy has fled.
10 people killed.
Now let them give the background music because they don't want to hear a concerned citizen of India raise a voice. Because the Tehseen Poonawallas of the Congress party are being sent to television studios to hijack the debate. So I will keep quiet. A woman will keep quiet today on your show.
Those 10 mothers who are crying for their kids dead are staging it. Those 10 mothers who are crying for their children dead are staging it.
This is how they lynch voices. This is exactly how they lynch voices.
Can I quote the names?
वो Dalit mothers who are crying, are they staging it? Rohit Vemula's mother is staging it. She's faking it. What are we talking? 10 people killed.
The person who was, sir, let me remind you, Mr. Tehseen Poonawalla, there was a newborn child who died. That is the person you should be answerable to. And your protest was staged. When one person who is acting as a protester in a Karni Sena protest, and the same person you hired to stage protest against Dalits, what kind of nonsense are you talking about? Let people judge you. People are already judging you. In 1952, Rahul Gandhi's great-grandfather, in 1955, Rahul Gandhi's great-grandfather stalled the progress of Ambedkar ji. Stalled the political progress of Ambedkar. These these people will talk about shamelessness.
जिनके बच्चे मर गए हैं 22 साल के,
loves of the highest order, dynastic loves you are. You can't see a Dalit rise. You have a problem, Tehseen Poonawalla, because a Dalit is the president of this country today. You have a problem, Tehseen Poonawalla, because Draupadi Murmu, who used to cook, who used to cook in a smoke chulha, is able to get an LPG subsidy through this government. That is your pain point. Do not try to play your dirty politics with a person like me.
Let me give you an
Do
explanation.
not do that.
Is Rohit Vemula's mother also doing dirty politics? You should have some. You should think and talk.
And 2013, every single day.
Today, Tehseen Poonawalla about stage protest. You at least should not comment today. Today, you had the biggest stage protest in Delhi.
Navika ji,
in Delhi.
I want to answer on intellectual, substantial points.
Ghanshyam Tiwari and Debashish Jararia. At least the Congress is not in any position to comment on stage protests today.
Exactly.
Were today's protests, fast, the so-called communal harmony fast, wasn't it a staged protest?
Well, we have seen fast turning out to be farce in Uttar Pradesh. The
Rajya Sabha chunav.
I said it's a farce. मैंने बोला what Congress did is a farce symbolically, and otherwise it's a farce, and it's such a sorry argument that they make. हमने देखा है राज्यसभा के चुनाव जीतने के बाद योगी आदित्यनाथ जी ने भी अपना फास्ट तोड़ दिया था, बूंदी के लड्डू खा रहे थे। योगी आदित्यनाथ जी इतने खुश हुए धांधली से चुनाव जीतने के बाद कि बूंदी के लड्डू नवरात्रि के समय खा रहे थे। तो ये जो पास्ट और फास्ट है, इसमें भारतीय जनता पार्टी कांग्रेस एक दूसरे के साथ कंपटीशन कर सकते हैं, समझ में कंपटीशन कर सकते हैं।
मायावती जी जो शेड्यूल कास्ट
हमने जो किया है वो हमारे सामने है।
स्ट्रेटजी है, उसमें आपका फार्स नहीं है।
इसमें स्ट्रेटजी नहीं है। देखिए नविका जी, when a community comes together on the ground and wants a political voice, no political party can stand in the way through symbolism. Today, the backwards, Dalits, the youth, the farmers are together in demanding a political voice against a government that has not given them anything. Sambit Patra can debate for the entire day, but not take
this is not the reality. GT, this is not the reality, and you also know it. You also know it, GT, because none of the farmers are here in the television studio.
We accepted that verdict. We did not filibuster a debate and said that we don't accept the verdict. We don't accept the reality.
Was these the same reasons why the Akhilesh Yadav government was thrown out of Uttar Pradesh last year?
I'll just tell you, somebody quoted figures that 2013 the statistics were more and 2018 it is less. Clearly, yes, 100% correct statistics. You know why? Because those who do the atrocities were not in power. They do these atrocities and come to power. Therefore, the Dalits have been killed in BJP states because they want to come to power there. This is the strategy that you kill the Dalits and blame somebody else. Kill the Dalits and blame somebody else is the strategy. And no, now I've exposed you. Now I've exposed you. Now let me complete my point.
Shehzad has turned court again. Today
आप reservation in promotion decide करो ना. Reservation in promotion decide करो ना. I challenge Ghanshyam and Debashish to give one stand on reservation promotion. I will leave politics. If they can give one stand.
There's a big challenge.
If they can give one stand.
Okay, what is
I will leave politics if before the end of this show, Ghanshyam and Debashish can tell me what is their one stand on reservation in politics. Is it Akhilesh Yadav stand that over my dead body, or is it Mayawati stand कि करेंगे ही करेंगे? Tell us now.
ठीक है, आप दोनों जवाब दीजिए।
मैं जवाब दे रहा हूँ। शहजाद ने बहुत अच्छा कमेंट किया कि जो लोग अत्याचार करते थे वो पॉलिटिक्स में आ जाते थे। तो बहुत अच्छा एग्जांपल दिया, बहुत अच्छा देश को सॉल्यूशन दे दिया। मैं तो चाहता हूं भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सबसे ज्यादा राज्यों में सरकार है, केंद्र में भी सरकार है, तो सारे जो एट्रोसिटी करते हैं उन सबको सेट कर दो। कम से कम इस बहाने देश को दलितों को मुक्ति मिल जाएगी अत्याचार से। थैंक यू शहजाद सॉल्यूशन।
दलहित की राजनीति मत करो, दलहित की राजनीति बन चुकी है।
थैंक यू शहजाद।
नहीं बताएंगे, छोले भटूरे खाएंगे। Give your stand. That was the challenge.
देखिए,
the stand is stand on reservation.
When you study Ambedkar and when you study Lohia, one thing is very, very clear. They wanted a representative voice for every community in the country. That is the foundation of democracy.
That's the theory that the BJP, the Congress, every political party gives. Every political party gives.
Ambedkar ji ko Nehru ji ne haraया. Just other way. If they were doing Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, why are there Dalit members of parliament standing up against their own government? Dr. Yashwant writes a letter. He is a member of parliament. He's a doctor. He is a US MLE. He writes a letter. 4 साल में आपकी सरकार ने कुछ नहीं किया.
बाकी के सवाल, the rest of the questions I will ask Dr. Sambit Patra about his own party. Why don't you give me the stand of your party?
Akhilesh Yadav ji has said, and it is exactly what Lohia has spoken about, written about, that in India we would require representative voice for every community in the country. The backwards, the Dalits are larger in numbers. There has to be a representative economic.
तो बहन जी गलत है मतलब बहन जी गलत है. Reservation promotion मांगने में बहन जी गलत है. देवाशीष बोल दो बहन जी गलत है. बहन जी गलत है बोल दो बहन जी गलत है. अरे बहन जी गलत है बोल दो भाई. आपके भैया जी ने बोल दिया बहन जी गलत है बोल दो बहन जी गलत है.
Let's come back to the main issue. Let's come back to the main issue. Dr. Sambit Patra, why are you making Chole Bhature the main issue of today's debate? The issue is there is unrest within your own party on the issue of Dalit rights. Your own MLAs, your own MPs are raising questions. Is the BJP in a tight spot? Are you on the back foot? Because you're not able to answer your MPs, which is why you're so happy that the Congress party has scored a self-goal on the Chole Bhature issue, that you want to make that the centerpiece of this debate?
And if I may add just one thing, if they have so good intelligence, why aren't those people employed to find out what are the problems of the general person? What is the common man suffering from? What is the Dalit suffering from? They should employ send all their cameramen.
Okay, allow him to answer. Allow him to answer.
Can I answer?
Yes.
See, there are a few very important points, Navika. As far as atrocities against Dalit are concerned, these are realities. We should never deny that there are no atrocities against Dalits. In fact, over ages, Dalits have been facing the kind of atrocities that we are talking about. It's a very sad state of affair. And I'll tell you one thing, Mirchpur, Gohana and Jhajjar. Please, can I complete, sir? Can I, let's not shout over each other, let's hear each other. Number one, Mirchpur, Gohana and Jhajjar, they were some of the worst Dalit atrocities performed ever in India, and during that period it was the UPA, the Congress, which was in dispensation. So let's not compare कि मेरी उजली सफेद है, मेरी कमीज आपसे ज़्यादा सफेद है या आपकी काली है. We all have to work for the emancipation, we all have to work for the betterment of the Dalit community. Secondly, as far as the BJP is concerned, well, yes, those people who are saying that Narendra Modi is dictatorial, he does not heed to anyone. Today, what do they have to say if our own people are writing letters to us? Well, yes, everyone is welcome. If you have any concern, Narendra Modi ji accommodates every concern. अरे भैया कौन चिल्ला रहे हैं? Please सुनते लीजिए. सर सुन लीजिए. मिश्रा जी प्लीज सुन लीजिए.
पर आप अपना क्वेश्चन का तो आंसर नहीं दिए ना. रिजर्वेशन प्रमोशन का बहन गलत है और अखिलेश सही है. अखिलेश करेक्ट है और आपकी बहन गलत है. आप बहन जी के साथ अखिलेश के साथ
आप बताइए, प्लीज शो मी द लेटर.
देवाशीष
no political party can take the moral high ground. Look at what my viewers are saying tonight. Dev says SP, Samajwadi Party exploits Muslims, BSP exploits Dalits. Also, question coming in from Rajendra Sharma. Congress is famous for ghotalas. Had no idea that it can do ghotala in fasting also. Nehru and Indira Gandhi must be feeling proud tonight. And also, another question coming in from Balram Manohar, who says, 25 crore Daliton ke liye politicians are giving 2 lakh naukris and reservation. And this is what they are saying will create upliftment. That's the farce that this country is getting. Well, ladies and gentlemen, the big questions tonight are, even if the Congress party claims it was doing a symbolic fast, what was the need to gorge on Chole Bhature just minutes before the fast began? Is the Congress party under Rahul Gandhi serious about the nature of its own politics? By feasting on Chole Bhature before the fast, has the Congress party insulted the Dalits? That's the question you, the viewer, have to judge this political party on. Well, it's the Congress fast or fiction debate. Which way do you think the Congress party was going? Who is the real fighter for the cause of the Dalits? The BJP, the Congress, or any other political party? Please, viewers, make the judgment. As I thank all my panelists, I leave that decision to my viewers. Taking a short break, Anand Narasimhan with the news hour at 10 up next. Stay tuned.